Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ADA Cardano. So here we still have the situation that off the low with a, yeah, you could call it a triple bottom here, we turned around and we moved up in a wave one. Here I'm still not entirely sure. You know, this definitely counts as a wave one as well. And then I could say A, B, C. I think I like that interpretation better. It doesn't really change so much. It reduces the burden on that wave 3 to go up so high. So in the end, as always, you know, there's different interpretations possible, but the view is that at least that wave 3 in the circle needs to reach the 1.618 extension. In this scenario, it has already reached it. So I'm unsure if it is this 1, 2 and then a B wave to the upside. But as I said in the previous video, if this was A, B, C, this B wave did overshoot a little bit too much for me. So I'm leaving it like that. And we would want in that scenario the wave 3 to reach at least the 26.4 cent level. Yeah, so round about that area. And then within the wave 3, I think we still only have a wave 1, a wave 2. Maybe the wave 3 is already in, but I said to you in the previous video that we haven't really reached the ideal target for a wave 3, and normally you want it to reach the 1.618 extension. We haven't seen that yet. I wouldn't completely rule out the idea that the wave 3 is already in, certainly because so far, if this is then a wave 4, these haven't overlapped. And the condition that the wave 4 needs to hold the 50% Fibonacci retracement has been met as well. That would be at 25.13 cents. So it's been holding that. It hasn't overlapped with wave 1. We could also count this as a valid 5-wave move to the upside. As wave 1, 2, 3, and 4. But then still, I would like to see at least one more wave 5 here to finish off wave 3. I think we'll leave it at that. And when we take a look at how if we say in the next update wave 3 is now finished or this wave 3, we continue to be in this sort of channel here. Yeah, it's not a very well defined channel, but it is one. You can actually extend it out and you've got your 3 touch points as well. So it's certainly something to take note of, because eventually in the process of putting an impulse in, we should break out of the channel to the upside, come down again, and then move up again. Let's see if it does that. Certainly at the moment, I think in an uptrend here on the lower time frame. Let's see how far it gets. It should really reach that, 26.4 cent level in the wave 3, and could then even push higher in the wave 5, yeah, in circle. Depends a little bit on how high wave 3 eventually goes, but the textbook target would be the 27.7 cent level for the wave 5 of A. All of this would morph into a larger corrective move to the upside, A, B, C in wave 2. So we're looking at higher at the moment. For me, it is, however, still very likely that we will come down lower afterwards. First target 18 cents, and then possibly, but that's not confirmed, and only a possible target if the 18 cent level breaks, the 10 cent level. Certainly realistic if Bitcoin really goes to, should Bitcoin really go to 10K. What else do we have? I mean, I cannot rule out, I need to say that, because technically it's now possible that the bear market low is in with this latest low. Technically also you could call the move down here as complete. Technically, yeah. Is it likely? No. So I'm currently not assuming that the bear market low is in here, but it's possible. And it could be explored, but then again, in the short term, it doesn't really make a difference from this ABC count. When would I say a low is in here for ADA? Well, at least the first really good indication would be if we put in here a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, but then we don't break down. Instead, we make a shallow wave 4, come up in 5, and come down in 3 waves. If we hold this, then we can say the low is probably in. But until then, I'm going to go with this wave count. In the short term, it wouldn't be different anyway. In the short term, we would look at higher. Okay, and that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.